common question we're asked is, can we build an extreme feature like this if our backyard is completely landscaped and the patio work is done? And the answer to that question is yes. The reason why, at the FX Design Team, we have specialized equipment that's going to preserve your landscape, yet be able to help us build the waterfall of your dreams at the same time. So give us a call today. We'll show you just how we could build a specialized water feature just like this that you can come home to and enjoy for years to come. I'm Jeffrey Scott from the FX Design Team. We hope the next yard is your backyard.